I am going to give you a step-by-step guide to becoming a day trader. First, let's define what a day trader is. A day trader actively buys and sells securities, often multiple times during the day, but without carrying any open positions to the next day. Day traders also use leverage to increase their exposure. Step 1. You need to conduct a self-assessment. Successful day trading requires a combination of knowledge, skills, and traits, as well as commitment to the lifestyle. Can you psychologically handle losing money? There will be plenty of up days and down days. Can you stomach the risk? Step 2. You need to have sufficient capital to start. No one can generate profits consistently. Intermittent and extended losses are part of the day trading game. For example, a day trader may suffer 8 loss-making trades in a row and only recover with profit on the 9th trade. Step 3. It is vital you understand the markets. Day traders need a solid foundation of knowledge about how the markets function. From simple details, like when the market opens and closes, to complex details, like the impact of news events and margin requirements. A trader needs to have a broad knowledge base. Step 4. Understanding securities is crucial. Stocks, futures, options, ETFs, and mutual funds all trade differently. Without a clear understanding of a security's characteristics and trading requirements, initiating a trading strategy can lead to failure. For example, traders should know how margin requirements for futures, options, and commodities significantly impact trading capital, or how the exercise of an option position can shatter the trading plan completely. Lack of knowledge can lead to losses. Step 5. Set up a trading strategy. New traders entering the world of trading can begin by selecting at least 2 established trading strategies. Both would act as a backup of each other in case of failure or lack of trading opportunities. One can move on to a greater number of strategies, with more complexities, later, as experience builds. The trading world is highly dynamic. Trading strategies can consistently make money for long periods, but then fail at any time. One needs to keep a close eye on the effectiveness of the selected trading strategy and adapt, customize, dump, or substitute it depending upon the developments. Step 6. Selecting the right trading strategies is only part of the equation. Execution is vital. When making a trade, what are your entry and exit points? How much capital will be used? How much money per trade? Which assets will be traded? How frequently will you place trades? Step 7. Practice money management. How much should you spend on your first trade? What if the first 3 trades fail? While trading futures or options, how much margin should you use? Effective money management can help you win even if there are only 3 profitable trades out of 10. Step 8. Once the plan is ready, simulate it on a test account with virtual money. Most brokers offer this option. Alternatively, you can backtest the strategy on historical data. Step 9. Start small and then expand. Even if you have sufficient money and sufficient experience, don't play big on the first trades of a new strategy. Try out a new strategy with a smaller amount and increase the stakes after some success. Remember, markets and trading opportunities will remain forever, but money, once lost, may be difficult to reaccumulate. Start small, test to establish, and then go for the big ones. Aspiring traders should be aware of websites and courses that promise foolproof day trading success or endless profits. Maybe 5 out of 100 day traders are successful. They achieve this by investing their time and efforts into building trading strategies and following them religiously. Before giving up your job to become a day trader, be sure that you have the motivation to continuously learn, design your trading strategies, and take accountability for your decisions and actions. When in doubt, just buy the S&P index and call it a day.